morning from Chiang Mai. I just touched down into the city earlier this morning. In this vlog, I'm gonna show you what you can do for a few days. Yeah, my first impression in the city, it's way much cooler than in Bangkok. Feels really nice though. It's not as hot, it's not as humid, and it feels also very peaceful comparing to Bangkok. I think I'm really gonna like this city. I think there is a reason why this destination is so famous, especially for backpackers, because yeah, it's a vibe here. It's pretty relaxed, it's pretty chill, and I'm so excited to show you around the city. Let's go. So I've been walking around Chiang Mai for a few hours now, around Old Town. This is where I'm staying, this is where many things are. And what I've noticed is the amount of like cute restaurants and cute cafes, and like they have like so many different options in terms of food. They even have smoothie bowl, and then if you guys don't know me, I love my smoothie bowl. But like what I've noticed is like there is such a variety of like westernized, like Western food. And obviously I understand why this destination is so popular among backpackers or even foreigners. And my question is like, I'm not too sure, like was this influence was before the backpackers were coming, or did it get developed because the backpackers were coming? Like I'm very curious. If you have the answer for me, like please, can you tell me that in the comment? I would love to know. today I'm gonna go a little bit of adventure. I'm about to rent a bike for the day where I'm gonna drive outside of Chiang Mai, where there is a few things to do around it. There is like some viewpoints, there is a temple, there is some waterfalls. So yeah, that's what I'm about to do. Sunday night, and Sunday night in Chiang Mai there is a famous night market, so I'm gonna check it out and show you guys around. I just finished my little walk around the market. I didn't do the whole thing because it's huge and I think I'm all set for the market for some times, but this is a really nice market. I got myself some Thai dessert, some coconut pancakes, as well as a mango sticky rice, so did a bit of shopping. Overall, what I can say about this market is I can really feel the sense of like it's more boho, it's more hippie vibe. Then obviously the market that I've seen in Bangkok. Even in terms of like what you can find at a market, like you can find pretty much everything, but it's just like there is way much art and there is music, and there is way more that artistic vibe around this market that I find really cool. So definitely recommend this one if you're in Chiang Mai.